We got a flathead Ford here for a project we're doing for a customer's 48 Ford pickup. And as you can see, got some rusty bolts in it. We got a cool tool that we bought from our Snap-on man, a mini ductor, and it's actually warming up the bolt without affecting anything around it. And if all goes right, it will release the bolt. And there it goes. Now, you had one of these break off, didn't you, Richard, without using that tool?
After penetrating oil and waiting, it still broke the bolt within a quarter of a turn. And the other the other three are coming out easy with the help of this magic tool. Watch this, folks. Within seconds, it's smoking.
Heat travels down through the threads. Let me get around the other side.
You can see the oil bubbling on the surface there.
So no cutoff wheels, no torch.
That was less than a minute. You do have to be careful when you're doing this. No air tools on this. And if you take your time and pay attention, no broken bolts. And don't grab it with your bare hand.
Yeah, it does make it hot.
Yeah.
Although the contact point on the tool cools off really fast, so you don't have to worry about burning yourself. Of course, common sense has to be used on all these equipment tools. As you can see, we got a bunch of old cars we work on and motorcycles. So we have many rusty bolts. Matter of fact, our car trailer the other day had some bolts on it that wouldn't come out even with an impact. So I used that tool right there and it came apart. Mini ductor, Venom from Snap-on.